Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit and withdraw cryptocurrency on MEXC Global Exchange. I'll also teach you how to buy crypto using your credit or debit card. By the way, if you haven't signed up on MEXC Global, check video description for the sign up link to register and get 10% trading fee discount. Here's how MEXC Global looks like. Below, you'll see menu tabs such as Home, Markets, Trade, Futures, and Assets. To deposit and withdraw crypto, go to Assets. Here, you will see your total value, and underneath, you will see Deposit, Withdraw, Buy Crypto, and Transfer buttons. To deposit crypto from your external wallet, click on Deposit. Here, you can scroll down to look for the token or type on the search bar to look for the coin. Let me search for USDT. Select the chain network you want to use. I usually use TRC20 for fast and cheap transfer fee. Below, you can scan or save the QR code or copy the wallet address. Please note minimum deposit amount for USDT is 0.01 USDT. Deposit less than the minimum amount will not be recorded and cannot be recovered. Using the address requires 20 network confirmations. Once deposit is completed, you can go to your deposit records to track the progress and view history. And lastly, it is forbidden to deposit assets other than the existing tokens to the address. Any non-existing token assets that are deposited to the existing token address will not be recovered. Once you have copied your deposit address, you can go to your external wallet. Paste your deposit address. Usually, the chain will be automatically detected. Input the amount you want to withdraw. Once all is set, click on Withdraw. Let's try a different token. Let me look for SLP or Smooth Love Potion. Click on Generate Address. Here, just the same thing. You can scan or save the QR code or copy your wallet address. Now, go to your external wallet. Paste your deposit address here. Select the right network. And input the amount you want to deposit. Once decided, click on Withdraw. You can also deposit and buy crypto using your debit or credit card. To do it, you just tap on Buy Crypto under Assets, or you can tap Home and click on the Buy Crypto banner. Here, you can do P2P trade or use a third-party provider. Click on Use Visa or MasterCard to buy digital assets if you want to use third-party provider. Then you will be redirected to a different page. Select the fiat currency you want to use and the crypto you want to buy. Let me pick USDT. Input the amount you want to buy. Click Yes. Here, you select a payment service provider. They support MenaPay, MoonPay, Simplex, Bangsa, and Mercurio. This time, I'll teach you how to withdraw on MEXC Global. To do it, make sure you're on Asset tab. Here, you click on Withdraw. Select the token you want to withdraw. Let me pick USDT. Select the correct chain network. I usually use TRC20 for fast and cheap transfer. Input the amount of withdrawal. Type the wallet name. Here, you paste your external wallet address. Now, go to your external wallet. Make sure you select the same chain. I'll use TRC20. Copy your external wallet address. Then go back to MEXC Global app and paste it here. You can also insert withdrawal instructions, but it's optional. Once everything is set, click on Confirm and proceed with the process. Let's try a different token. Let me pick Bitcoin. Select the chain. Input the amount of withdrawal here and the wallet label. Go to your external wallet. Make sure it's the same network. Copy your external wallet address. and paste it here. Once everything is set, click on Confirm. That's how you deposit and withdraw crypto on MEXC Global. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you on my next video.